How to save WhatsApp profile pictures, or DP, without taking a screenshot or screen recording. 2026 Guide. Want to save someone's profile picture on WhatsApp without taking a screenshot or screen recording? Here are the safe and working methods. Method 1. Use WhatsApp Web. Best quality method. Step 1. Open any browser on your PC or mobile and go to web.whatsapp.com. Step 2. Open WhatsApp on your phone, then tap Linked Devices, link a device, and scan the QR code. Step 3. After login, open the chat of the person whose DP you want to save. Step 4. Click on the profile picture to open it in full size. Step 5. Right-click on the image or long press on mobile and tap Save Image. The profile picture will be saved in original quality. Method 2. Ask the contact, official and safest. If the profile picture is restricted by privacy settings, ask the person to send the image directly or request them to change privacy to Everyone or My Contacts. Important note: if someone hides their profile photo using privacy settings, you cannot save it unless they allow access. Avoid third-party apps claiming to download WhatsApp DPs. They may be unsafe. Quick summary. Open WhatsApp Web, open profile picture, save image. If privacy is restricted, request the image from the contact.